Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about stiff and swollen hands, all right? One of the best remedies for that is called ammonium chloride, and you can get it as a supplement form. I'm not endorsing any specific product, but you can just search it out and get some. But it's an acidifier. It also reduces calcium deposits like spurring, like on your heels and other parts of the body. It's great for bladder stones. It even gets rid of bladder stones in animals like sheep and goats. So if your goat has a bladder stone, just go ahead and give it to them and it'll clear that right up. Arthritis, wonderful for arthritis, especially the type that's swollen, stiff joints, okay? Bronchial congestion and tetany, which is that little twitching that you might have or someone might have. So you can go ahead and take this, and it's a great short-term remedy as you fix the root cause, which is usually insulin resistance. I'll put a link down below, and if you have this problem, you need to learn about insulin and how it creates inflammation and get in that program, because you can greatly reduce swelling in the hands and the legs by really getting that handled. All right, thanks for watching. Hi guys. Hey, listen, I created a pretty amazing evaluation quiz down below that actually analyzes your symptoms to find the cause, the root cause of all of your symptoms, the most likely cause. So take the quiz now and we'll send you a report.